Hey everyone, it's 2026 now, and if you ask someone whether they use AI or not, most people will probably mention only ChatGPT or Gemini, especially Gemini because Geo made it free for many users. But honestly, AI goes way beyond just these tools. So today, especially for students, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that you should definitely start using. Let's get started. Number 1. Gamma AI. If you're a student, you've probably been asked to create presentations or PowerPoint slides many times. Whether it's in college, school, or for a project. That's where Gamma AI comes in. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you can simply give it a topic, and Gamma will generate a complete presentation for you in seconds. Let me show you how it works. Number 2. Perplexity AI. Many of you may have already heard about this tool. I think it even had a collaboration with Airtel at one point. What makes Perplexity special is that it provides answers along with proper sources. So if you're doing research, working on assignments, or simply looking for reliable information, Perplexity AI can save you a lot of time. Definitely one of the best AI tools for students. Number 3. NotebookLM. Now, we've all experienced this. A teacher or professor uploads a huge PDF and expects us to study everything from it. Sounds familiar, right? Well, NotebookLM can help. Just upload your PDF and it can generate summaries, notes, key points, and even quizzes based on the content, which means less time reading and more time understanding.
Welcome to today's explainer. So, have you ever stopped and wondered what actually separates a standard, run-of-the-mill college degree from those highly regulated, deeply respected, specialized professions here in India? Well, today we're diving right into this fascinating breakdown of qualifications along with changing career placements.
Number 4. Napkin AI. This is a really interesting one. Napkin AI can convert your ideas into professional-looking diagrams and visual charts. For example, if you have a process, a workflow, or even a simple concept, you can paste the text here. And Napkin AI will instantly turn it into a clean visual diagram, perfect for presentations and project work. And finally, number 5, ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted realistic AI voiceovers for your projects, videos, presentations, or content creation, ElevenLabs is one of the best tools available. Simply type your text, choose a voice, and it will generate a natural-sounding voiceover within seconds. And yes, the voice you're hearing right now could even be generated using ElevenLabs.
Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back to our channel, Build Hero.
So those were my top 5 AI tools that every student should know about in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.